it's a great activity to go out for a night's exercise. It's a very cheap way of getting exercise. Far better, I think, than going to a gymnasium.
So ladies and gentlemen, get Gordon's.
They're fantastic. It's a wonderful experience just to actually be part of them. The atmosphere when you go to Ceilidh is, you never see anybody sad or upset. The music usually cheers people up, and if it's not that, then the dancing. You know, if you're up and dancing, you can't not smile.
I mean, there are various Ceilidhs around town and stuff like that, but I think we quite like the Bongo Club because it's a good sized venue and stuff. And
it's a good location.
It's a good location, nice and central. They've got a different band every week as well, which is sort of adds a lot of variety. There's always different people here every week as well.
I saw a little cartoon of how we watch movies, and in the past it was the picture of the big screen, popcorn, whatever. Now it's a picture of a guy with a pair of headphones and a TV screen. How we listen to music, same thing. How we chat with our friends, same picture. We've become very technological orientated, and society loses for that lack of human interaction, that actually tactile, face-to-face, voice-to-voice, eye-to-eye, the human arts.
It's quite interesting on the door. You get a lot of people coming in going, do I have to dance? And you're like, no, you can stand and watch. And you know, we tell them, you know, you don't have to dance. You can just stand and watch. That's fine. No problems at all. But you know that like 5 minutes later, someone will say, do you want to dance? And they'll be up having a great time, and they're on the dance floor for the rest of the night. And you know, that's one of the great things I think about Ceilidh dancing, is it's so open and so accessible to, you know, everybody.